You can quickly add an interactive date picker anywhere in your Google Docs document using a simple smart chip. Feel free to drop a like if this tutorial helps you save time. Type the @ at the cursor location after week of. This opens the Smart Chip menu directly below your cursor. Select Date from the Smart Chip menu dropdown. A placeholder date chip with a calendar icon appears in your document. Click the inserted Date Smart Chip placeholder to open the date picker. This launches an interactive calendar dialog displaying the current month. Navigate to the desired month and select 25 on the calendar grid. Click the OK button to apply the selected date. The calendar pop-up closes and the Smart Chip updates to show your finalized date. Now you know how to quickly insert and update interactive dates in your workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips.